hope everyone are fine. Today we are going to explain about the internal as well as external structure of heart. Today we will see the external and internal structure of heart. First of all, I will explain the diagram which I have drawn. Then after that, I will explain you the lab activity of it. Okay. So see here, as everyone knows that our body has heart which is helpful in the circulation of the blood. Okay, our heart, it is helpful, and heart is also called as pumping station. Okay, pumping station because it pumps the blood. Okay, and how much our body weight is a triple of that. Our blood will be circulated. For example, one person's weight is 40 kgs. For example, then in 1 hour the blood circulates about 120 times per hour. Okay, so this is heart. Okay, this is a diagram of the heart. Here there are 4 chambers in the heart. How many chambers? 4 chambers in the heart. Upper 2 are called as auricles, lower 2 are called as ventricles. Before going through that, we'll see the external structure. Before going through the internal structure, we'll go through the external structure. When you see the heart, the external part of the heart has a covering which is called as pericardium. Okay, a thin covering like structure is present which is called as pericardium. It will be helpful in to absorb the external shocks. Okay, it will not allow the heart to get spoiled. Because of that covering is present. As you know that your books are having covering, so that your books will not spoil. Yes, as you wear dress or whatever the uniform or clothes you are wearing, because it is used to protect our body. Like that only. Here also pericardium, it helpful in the protection. Okay, external protection. Now the heart, the shape of the heart is triangular tricuspid shape. Triangular. What is the shape of the heart? Bipyramidal triangular shape. Okay, and the upper part of the heart is broader and the lower part of the heart is narrow. Okay, upper part is broader and lower part is narrow. And what is the size of the heart? It will be fist. How much our fist will be there? That much our heart will be there. Where is the heart located? It is located in the left side. Okay, and how many layers are present? 4 layers of the. By seeing upper part, you can see 4 layers. Okay, then coming to that, how this mechanism takes place, how the circulation takes place. Here it occurs in different steps. Okay, to carry the blood, how the blood is being carried from upper parts and the lower parts. It will be carried till the heart. Okay, from upper parts of the body, the blood is carried by superior vena cava, upper parts, and from the lower parts, inferior vena cava. Okay, the blood is being collected by the from upper part superior vena cava, from the lower parts inferior vena cava, and it is being collected to the heart. Okay, from that, what the heart will do? It will pump the blood, and it will take oxygenated blood and sends the deoxygenated blood again to the lungs for oxygenation. Okay, after that, what the lungs will do? It will oxygenate the blood and again it sends to the heart. It occurs twice, because of that it is called as double circulatory system. Here normally if you see, the heart is being divided into 2 chambers in fissures. 2 chambers in fissures. That is 1 auricle and 1 ventricle. Okay, 3 chambers of heart. 3 chambers of heart is present in front. That is 2 auricles and 1 ventricle. Likewise, human heart is being divided into 4 chambers. That is 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Now we'll see the internal structure of the. Here we learned about the external structure of heart. Now we'll learn about the internal structure of heart. Internally, okay, the heart is being divided into 4 chambers, that is 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Auricles will be, upper will be 2 auricles and lower will be 2 ventricles. By seeing externally also we can say, but as you go through the internal structure, in that also you can say that 2 auricles are present and 2 ventricles are present. Right? So here what will happen means, as we have seen that it occurs double circulatory system, where the blood is being carried from upper parts and lower part to the heart. And after that heart, what it will do, it will oxygenate, pump the blood, and it will send the deoxygenated blood in the lungs and oxygenated blood in the heart. Then in that also one mechanism is there, that is left auricle should get pure blood only. Left auricle should get pure blood, that is left auricle should get oxygenated blood. Okay, and right auricle should get deoxygenated blood. Right auricle, from left auricle, the blood which is there, oxygenated blood, it opens into left ventricle, and after that it goes to body through the large blood vessel which is called as aorta. Okay, a large blood vessel which is called as aorta, and from here right auricle, the deoxygenated blood that it is getting, it will send to the right ventricle, and from there it goes to the body. Clear everyone? And what is the time taken from auricle to ventricle and ventricle to body parts? From auricle it takes 0.8 seconds and ventricle 0.14 seconds. Now this is the internal structure of heart. We have seen protection, how it is present, what is the shape, what is the structure, we have learned. But the thing is, here also 4 types of valves are present. Do you know what are valves? Valves means, you have seen cycle, no? Cycle. In that, when the tire punctures, at that time you will go to a tire shop, and there what he will do? Here he will put a small puncture, means he will take a small piece of the tire and he will cut it and put to the, whatever the part is there, he will put it. Why he will put that? Because the air which is there, it should not go out. Okay? Because of that, valve is being present. P is being taken. Like that, in heart also 4 valves are present, which helps in the only one flow direction. The blood flows in only one direction. That valves will allow. So what is the work of valves? It allows the blood to flow in only one direction. So see here, the 4 types of valve I will explain. After that, as soon as we complete this, we will go through the lab activity. Okay. Now see here, 4 types of valves are present. One is present here. See here one, where it is present? Systemic valves, where it is present in the right auricle. Upper side. Okay, upper side, don't get confused. Upper side, it is present means it is present in the right auricle, not down or between, it is present at the upper side. Okay, what are the valves called as? Systemic valves. And upper side of the left auricle, the other valve is present which is called as pulmonary valves. Okay, 2 valves are completed. Now next valve is, here in right auricle and right ventricle, one valve will be present which is called as tricuspid valve. Okay, and the other valve which is present, it is present between the left auricle and left ventricle, which is called as bicuspid valve. Okay, this valve will not allow the blood to flow backwards. It allows the blood to flow only in one direction. This was the mechanism of the heart. A heart is very small organ, but it does a lot of work. Okay, it can store memories also. Okay, sometimes it is also helpful in thinking. We'll say, no, many will say that heart and mind together, when they are together, then only we can take the proper decisions. We can do the proper work also. So by this, we end our session of the board. Now we'll do the lab experiment. Now we have learnt about the external internal structure of heart on the board. But likely we'll see through the lab activity of a goat heart. This is goat heart. Okay, this is the heart of a goat. We can't bring the human heart, right? So this is the heart of a goat. Now, when you see this heart of a goat, first of all we'll see the external structure of the heart. Here you can see, when you are seeing the heart, the upper part is broader and the lower part is narrow. Upper part is broader and lower part is narrow. Okay, and what is the shape of the heart? It is pear shape. Okay, it is pear shape. And a covering is present over this heart. This covering which is there, this is called as pericardial fluid. Okay, this pericardial fluid prevents this pericardial membrane. Okay, Okay, this pericardial membrane which is there, it prevents the heart from external shocks. And a fluid is present in between this heart, inside the heart, a fluid is present which is called as pericardial fluid. That fluid is helpful for the proper functioning of the heart, otherwise the heart gets spoiled. Now, we'll see the superior vena cava, it will be present upper side, and inferior vena cava lower side. Okay, superior vena cava carries the blood from upper parts, and inferior vena cava carries the blood from the lower parts of the body. Okay, now we'll dissect the heart to see the internal structure. Here, the upper part, these are two auricles and lower are ventricles. So, upper two auricles which are there, left auricle, okay, here left auricle and left ventricle, right auricle, right ventricle. Now, we'll dissect the heart. First of all, these two are auricles and these two are ventricles. Okay, this is left auricle and left ventricle, right auricle, right ventricle. Left auricle gets oxygenated blood and right auricle gets deoxygenated blood. Now we'll see the valves present in the heart. There are 4 valves present in the heart. Here the thread-like structures which you can see. Okay, this thread-like structures which you can see, they are called as valves. This thread-like structure which you can see, they are called as valves. See here 2 valves are present. Okay, here 2 valves and here 2 valves are present. Here the whole like structure which you can see here and here. The whole like structures which you can see, these are called as pulmonary valves and these are called as systemic valves. These are called as pulmonary valves and these are called as systemic valves. Now here in between the right auricle and right ventricle, one valve will be present which is called as right auricle, right ventricle, tricuspid valve in between. Here tricuspid valve will be present and here in the left auricle and left ventricle bicuspid valve will be present. So what is the work of valve? It allows the blood to flow in only one direction. Okay, now you have seen the valves. 2 are here. Okay, one is here and the other one is here and the 2 are here. Okay, 2 are here. Okay, it allows the blood to flow in only one direction. Okay, and here you can see capillaries also. Okay, here you can see capillaries also. This red colored one is there now. These are called as capillaries. What are capillaries? It is thread-like structure. Okay, what are capillaries? It is fine thread-like structure. Okay, both look same. Capillaries and the valves look same, but their work is totally different. Their function is totally different. Now, this was the structure of the internal and external structure of heart. By this, we'll end our session and we'll meet in the next session. I hope that everyone understood the video. For upcoming videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.